We're off to the traditional markets in Legian just to check it out, see what's going on in there. Okay, so we're at the markets at Legian and we're just going to go in and see what's going on in here. Well, it opens early, about 4 o'clock in the morning, so most of the people have probably already been here. A little chemist shop on the front. And this is all new, this building, because the old one burnt down. Alright, so they sell kids stuff, shoes. What have we got? Jajan, this is like snack food, typical Indonesian snack food. It's one of those like little layer cakes or what?
Yeah, kue lapis. It's 1,000, that's 2,000. Ada sumping ya.
Alright, so I got a couple of these things with they, and they're like a little pancake with sugar in the middle. Really good, eh?
Banana.
We'll get a banana cake.
Ini satu berapa?
How much is that?
10,000.
That's 10,000, about $1 for a little bag full of cakes. Cheap. Thank you. Alright, so it looks like there's all little shops around the outside and stuff. So we'll walk around the outside and then we'll go up and down through the aisles. It's like a kid's store, shoe store. Where are we? Snake skin. Được kamu ulah.
Kamu ulah.
You see the food shops. This is like for the offerings, for the Hindu offerings and incense. It smells good. So there's all fruit and bananas along here. These are just all mainly little food stalls. So it is a morning food market. This thing, it opens about, what time? 4 o'clock in the morning, doesn't it?
Yeah, 4.
Right, so here's a coconut shop. You can buy coconuts and they grind it up. Oh, grind it up into ground coconut. See everyone on the machine over there grinding the coconut. Good stuff. So along here is all meat. Alright, so this is all pork meat. All the pork sausage, yeah? Wow, look at them. This is all pig meat, all pork. Wow, them sausages look good, look at that. This is a chicken shop. Hello. There you go, chicken feet.
Chicken feet. Finish.
Chicken wings and chicken feet. This looks like beef. There's some rosa fish, little tuna, prawns. Now this is what we're after, pindang. It's like a boiled or smoked fish. You buy it by the basket. Pretty cheap, they're about 50 cents a fish or something. And that's what we feed to our cats. So it's 38,000, that's $3.80 for a whole basket. There's about 10 fish.
Yeah, it's cheaper if you buy a basket.
Now, if you come down here at about 5 o'clock in the morning, this place is just packed. Like all the housewives all come down here, buy their food early so they can get in early and get the best products. And by now it's about 7:30 in the morning. It's getting very quiet in here. There's some fish. Good sized prawns. So this is a little veggie shop with all the grains. Got kangkong, celery,
sawi putih.
all the grains, bok choy,
Sekilo berapa?
broccoli.
Tambah naik. Minggu lalu
Broccoli is really expensive in Indonesia. They can only grow it up in the mountains where it's cold. Pumpkin, cabbage, and the different types of chili. And over here you got cauliflower, broccoli. It's like galangal and turmeric and ginger. Onions, limes. And these are like dried fish. You sort of soak them in the water and hydrate them and then fry them up. And these are all flowers to make offerings. Hello, Ebert.
Hello.
So you can buy the flowers and make offerings at home, or as you can see, Ebert's making all the offerings here.
Sari.
Chanan, yeah. That's what they are. They're made out of coconut leaf. They're flowering
Good.
for the Hindu ceremonies. Thank you, Ebert. Okay, so we're looking to see, as you can see, like this is crushed corn, and we feed it to our chickens. So we're seeing if we can buy it bulk. And you can see they've got all things like coriander seeds, red kidney beans, green beans, things like that. So, thank you, Puck. All right, we got half a kilo. We'll feed the chicken for a couple of days. All right, so this is like all bumbu, like flavoured stuff. You can buy it and then you use it to cook with. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
There's a lot of the dried stuff.
Yes, and this one. Ini berapa, Bu? Yang besar berapa? 15.
What's that, a kilo? Setengah kilo, 10 mahal.
15 ini.
Well, I've already got that. You get another one if you want. All right, so we found some cheaper corn. I bought this for $1, and this is $1.50 for a whole kilo. You can see she's got all different types of dried fish, little dried squid, anchovies, sardines, all the other types of fish. Oh, these little tiny fish. Dried prawns. I use them, hydrate them, and use them in like fried rice and cooking. So you can just see the size of this place. The roof is like probably 25 metres high. It's huge. Now the old market that was here about 6 or 7 years ago burnt down, and they built this. As you can see upstairs, there's all shops along the edge there too, selling clothes and stuff. A lot of them aren't open yet. They probably open later in the day. Alright, so now we're hunting tempeh, which is like a pressed soybean. Green tempeh, oh, it's just
No,
plastic.
just the plastic.
Alright, so this is tempeh. It's like a
Soybean.
soybean,
Ferment.
compressed soybean. And you fry it, it's really good. Alright. So that's about it basically. It's just all vegetables and foodstuffs. Huh? It's dragon fruits, look. Dragon fruit, they're really good. Right.
Oh no, I forgot to buy the celery and...
Well, there was celery way down on the bottom. Alright, so now we're hunting celery. I'll just go upstairs here and I'll film how big it is in here from up above so you can have a look. As you can see, there's clothes shops. Yeah, it's nice out here. There's a veranda. This is the car park where we park. Oh, there's a few clothes shops open. You see they selling traditional Balinese dresses for the ladies for praying at the temple. I'll just show you the size of this place. It's absolutely massive. When you look at it from up here, you see how big it really is, eh? Anyway, that's about it. We've got everything we need. Let's have a quick look down here. Mainly it's all traditional clothes for praying. What? Teddy bears. Hello there. Alright, that's about it. I suppose all these other shops up top, they'd be open later on in the day. And we get sort of more selling like clothes and things like that, and the vegetables and that'll soon sell out. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, just of a typical traditional Indonesian morning market, food market. And this is the best place. If you buy stuff at the supermarkets, you can get all the veggies you want and everything here, fresh as, freshly picked. It's probably a third of the price of buying in the supermarket. So if you live here, you just got to shop in places like this. Anyway, thanks for that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and all that, and I'll see you on the next one.